This presentation will be addressing the problem of choosing construction materials for mid-rise residential construction in the redevelopment of Lansdowne Park. The report will focus on the social, environmental, and economical issues involved.
We will be comparing the different qualities between wood frame, concrete, and steel construction systems in mid-rise construction in terms of economic, social, and environmental aspects in order to recommend to the City of Ottawa which would be the most beneficial construction system for the development of mid-rise buildings along Holmwood Avenue at Lansdowne Park.
To begin, let's look at a brief history of Lansdowne Park. In September 2007, a portion of the stands in Frank Clare Stadium had to be demolished due to safety issues. This initiated the idea of rebuilding not only the stadium, but also the whole area. Now the City of Ottawa has the chance to reinvigorate a lifeless part of the city. In order for this to be effective, and in order to prevent any further safety issues in the area, the type of materials used for the new construction must be carefully considered. The new construction must be durable, energy efficient, comfortable to inhabit, and yet cost efficient.
Let's begin with the social aspects. Here we would like to focus on the quality of living provided by these construction systems. Which type of construction would create a more comfortable day-to-day life? Let's begin with wood. Wood creates a homier feel and makes you feel more connected with nature. However, it also tends to have poorer air quality because wood can foster mold and insects. Wood frame construction also tends to create poor sound control between rooms. We've all been in situations where we can hear the neighbor's loud footsteps upstairs or the next door neighbor's music. Next, let's look at the social aspect of concrete and steel. Where wood has a warm and homey feel, concrete can seem cold and institutional. However, concrete does seem very structurally strong and has the added benefit of being fire resistant. People feel safer in concrete and steel construction compared to wood. Also, there is a very good sound control and better air quality.
Our second aspect of study is economical factors. Economical issues that arise with these construction methods are transportation and the manufacturing cost. Steel is pre-engineered, which makes site work faster and more efficient, whereas concrete and wood are more labor-intensive. How locally available are manufacturing plants? Cost considerations must be taken into account when transporting tons of materials to the construction site. Concrete is by far the most expensive material to use, which makes mid-rise concrete buildings rare. Wood is by far the most economical option for mid-rise construction. However, the Ontario Building Code only allows a maximum height of 3 stories. But we're seeing a movement in the industry supporting higher wood frame construction, and eventually the idea of wooden skyscrapers. Wood construction could offer affordable housing options for those of lower income.
Finally, we will research the environmental aspects. Environmental aspects that should be evaluated when selecting a construction type are the renewability of materials, environmental impacts, the availability of recycled materials, material conductivity, and greenhouse gas emissions. Wood is actually the only renewable source. In fact, in North America, we can grow enough wood every 13 minutes to build a 20-story building. However, wood can have issues with mold and insect infestation, which can be detrimental to structural stability of a building. Concrete and steel have the option of incorporating recycled materials into the manufacturing stage. To recycled materials weaken the structure. The transportation and collection of recycled matter has a cost as well. Steel has a high conductive rate, which can rapidly change the heating and cooling of a building. Not only are we going to investigate the cost of constructing a building, we will be looking at how much it costs to run a building.